I hope you watch this video in time. Today is the final day if you're looking to get into myEcon and you want access to my personal sales rotator. It's the very last opportunity that you're going to get in there for 6 full months. I offered this last week and people went crazy. And now at 6 months, it's just absolutely taking off. So today is your last and final day to get into my sales rotator. If you want me to promote your myEcon affiliate link for you and help you make sales, this is being extended out all across the globe, whether you're in South Africa, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, it doesn't matter. We are expanding into the international market outside of the United States. So if you hit the link in the description down below, or you can go to that link that you see right on your screen right now, myeconglobal.com, that will land you right here on my personal sign up page. And you're going to see this isn't just for international members. You'll see all kinds of options in here. Obviously, the main join links here in the United States, $25, $45, or $100. You'll see those there. You'll see all the benefits and perks that you're going to get with our system. And then when you scroll all the way down, you're going to see the international members sign up link right there. And this right here, what you need to understand is this link itself right here. This is the rotator. This is the sales rotator right here. So when you click that link, there's dozens and dozens and dozens of people in the sales rotator. All my international members that are coming in, they are locking in right here and they are in the rotator. So there is a chance that you might not join me. You might join someone else in the rotator. And this is how I'm helping you make sales. Last week, we had 21 people come through the sales rotator. That's 21 people that made sales because of this promotion that I'm doing right now. Now it's blowing up and it's going crazy this week. So I'll have those numbers for you next week once today is done. Okay. But plain and simple, my friend, this is going crazy and we're helping a lot of people make a lot of sales with myEcon. And you're going to be able to get into this sales rotator, the one that you see right on your screen right now. You're going to be able to get into that sales rotator link and you're going to be there and stay there for 6 full months. So that is my goal over the next 6 months here in myEcon, is to help explode this international market, get more and more people exposed, knowing what we're doing here with myEcon, and that you have access to our team, to our system, and also to, if you need more information, links in the description down below. I'll show you how we offer over $11,000 in 100% free value for you just for activating your myEcon membership. So yeah, you can get started right now as an international global member for $59.95. You lock in, you're going to get an email from me or someone in our rotator. If you join somebody else, they're going to get you instant access to our done for you system. So let me just kind of pull that up for you real quick. And again, I'm going to leave all that information here at the end of this video. What you're going to get is our done-for-you system valued at well over $10,000. It's a complete marketing system. It has all of your sales funnels. We do all the email marketing for you. You're going to get a custom sales app. The app alone is valued at over $1,800 a month. You're going to get into our sales rotators, meaning we're going to drive traffic. We're going to drive paid advertising to your affiliate link for you. Yeah, we're going to promote your myEcon affiliate link for you. Okay, you're going to have all of your training, all of that, and the best part for you is as you bring in new members, as you get out there and you start making sales, you're going to plug your new members into our system. And again, we're going to do all of that heavy lifting for you. We're going to train your members for you. It's literally a done for you business in a box. It's literally everything you need. Here's a quick shot of our app. This is where you have full access to run an entire business from your phone. This is a custom app for our myEcon team. You're not going to find this app anywhere else. It was exclusively designed for us. It's managed and maintained by us. Okay, this is where you have all of your leads right in an app on your phone. You get real-time lead notification on your app when you get a new lead. Someone goes to your myEcon sales funnel that we give you, okay? And you're going to get instant lead notification right there. It's literally everything you need, my friend, all in an app on your phone, all your marketing, your training. Oh, by the way, too, all of your content as you get out there and you start sharing your myEcon affiliate link out there on social, wherever it is, we'll teach you how to advertise for free. We're going to give you the content. So you don't have to worry about being techie. You don't have to worry about struggling to figure this stuff out. And even if you're thinking, hey, What if I don't have a big following? What if I've never done this sort of thing before? No problem. We got you. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. But we're going to teach you step by step exactly what to do and how we're helping literally thousands and thousands of members. This system that you're going to get access to, our exclusive myEcon system that we had built just for our team, has helped over 10,000 people get their start. It could be helping you too. So it's up to you, okay? You have literally, at the time of this video, it's a Friday, at the time of this video, you literally have until tonight to lock in if you want these 6 full months. You can see it right here on your screen. You can see the countdown timer. Of course, I'm making this video a couple days early, but you're going to see that when this video is released, and that you're only going to have literally today if you want in my personal sales rotator for 6 full months. If you have any questions for me and you're here in the United States, I left my phone number right at the top of this video, or you can drop a comment down below and ask me anything. Obviously, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Really does help the channel out. Hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I post new content, whether it's about myEcon or just how to make money online. If you want more information on myEcon, on our system, the over $11,000 in free value that we're going to give you just for getting started with us, I'm going to leave an end card here right at the end of this video. You can click on that. You can watch my full tutorial. Thank you for watching, my friend. Take action. I promise you, action cures fear. It's much, much better to be here on the inside and being part of this and getting those results and making those sales and making that money versus standing there on the outside looking in, wishing, hoping, and praying that things get better. It can be better. You just got to take that action, my friend. And I can promise you it's much better on the inside. I'll see you on the next one, my friend. Take care.